Hello, I am Rupam Shardhar, Computer Science and Engineering Department teacher. Today we are going to learn about the reservation table class 2. In the previous class I have discussed about something about the reservation table. Okay, but the question of MACOUT come in this form. In MACOUT exam, question come that S1 goes to S2, S2 goes to S3 and it's come back to S1 and output come from S1. So if I design this reservation table for this particular diagram, so this is S1, this is S2, this is S3. So here start from T0, it goes on T1, it goes to T2, it comes back to T3 and after that we are getting the output T4. So here is T0, T1, T2 and T3 and we are getting the output. So S1 is T1, S2 is T2, S3 is T3 and S1 again is T1. So how your diagram should be drawn. Now we have to discuss, so I am calculating that the collision vector is collision vector T3, T2, T1, T0. So 0 is present here, so here is 1, 0 is present here, here is 1 and 3 is present here, here is 1 and another is 0. So I am noting here our CV is equal to 1001. Our CV is collision vector is 1001. Now you should to know about some definition. What is the latency? Latency. The latency means delay. Latency means delay. How much delay I can allow for a pipeline system. So what are the forbidden latency? What is the forbidden latency? The latency which we can not allow for the pipeline system. These are the collision because of collision. So that's why we are calling that this is collision vector. Now what is the permissible latency? Permissible latency. So now permissible latency which we can allow, which means which latencies we can allow, those are the permissible latencies. So definition is clear to you that the latency which we can provide and which we cannot provide, which we can allow and which we cannot allow. Now come to the cycles. Come to the cycles now. The simple cycles made by repetition of the segments. Then what is the greedy cycle? The greedy cycle, this is very much important. This is very much important for your calculation. The greedy cycle is the minimal cycle we can allow for the pipeline. The minimum cycle we can allow for the pipeline. So up to this your theory is complete. Now go to the application part. So our CV was 1001. So state 1 is equal to 1001. State 2 01001, that is 1101. This is state 2. State 3 00101. This is or this is also or 1011. And state 4 1011. So we are getting here the repetition of this one, and this one is simple. So we can, if I design a state diagram 1001, so for the plus 1 it goes to the which cycle? 1101. If I add plus 2, where it goes? It goes to the 1011. And if I plus 3, so here is 1001, that is the loop of this. So this is the minimum cycle. This is the greedy cycle of your this reservation table. So how are the cycles can be made? 3 2 3. And if I extend this, I can extend this, more cycle will be made. Okay, so the minimum cycle is 1 3, because 1 is the beginning, and what is your previous one, that is 1, and this is 3 1. So the man will be 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2, that is man. And what is your throughput? THROUGHPUT. What will be your throughput? 1 divided by 3 is equal to 0.33. If you complete this, you will get 15 marks in Macau. Thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed your class. Next class I will give very soon. I will give more state diagrams, more problems about speed up, efficiency, throughput, many more. Data hazard, structural hazard, control hazard are remaining, ILP remaining, memory is remaining. All will be done in the next few days. Thank you very much.